Hi, I'm Michael from Printful. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Printful account to Shopify, add products, set up shipping, and enable live shipping rates. The first thing you need to do is create Printful and Shopify accounts. Before connecting Shopify to Printful, you'll need to create accounts on both websites. So if you're not a Printful user yet, go to our website and create your free account. Click sign up and fill in your info. Once you've created your account, you can access the Printful dashboard. To be able to connect your Shopify store to Printful later on, you need to click Start Selling. Check out Printful Academy, where you can find free in-depth e-commerce courses. I've left a link to Printful Academy in the description so you can check it out after this tutorial. Now that you have your Printful account, you can create a Shopify store if you don't have one already. To set up a Shopify account, head to Shopify's website, click Start a free trial, and follow the setup process. Connect Printful to Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin and click Add Apps. Then click Add on the Printful app. Log into your account, and that's it. Your Shopify store is connected to your Printful account. To make sure your store runs smoothly, there are a couple of things we need to do before we proceed with the next steps. If you plan on selling your products internationally, you must enable these markets from Shopify's side. Head to your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Markets. You can activate the international market that includes 26 countries, or add your own market here by adding all the countries where you plan on selling. If you don't activate these markets, your customers who live in certain countries won't be able to check out from your store. Another thing you need to know is how to manage order processing. You can set up automatic or manual fulfillment for orders and order archiving from the checkout settings page on Shopify. To do that, go to Shopify admin, Settings, Checkout, Order Processing, and choose your preference under the After the order has been paid section. I'm checking the Automatically Fulfill the Orders line item box. If you're excited about filling your store with Printful products, you'll love the next part of the process because you'll learn how to add Printful products to Shopify. Head to your Printful dashboard, go to the Store section, and click Add Product. Now a window will open where you can choose from over 400 products to add to your store. I'll pick a men's t-shirt by clicking on Men's Clothing, T-shirts, and then picking the unisex organic cotton t-shirt. Once you've picked a product, you can start designing it in the Design Maker. Start by picking product colors, sizes, techniques, and design placement. I'm choosing all available sizes, white t-shirt color, direct-to-garment printing technique, and front print placement for the design. Now you can customize your product however you like. Add text, play around with available design resources, or upload your own design. For example, you can choose from a large variety of clip art that suits different styles and niches and use to create your own design. Or you can pick an adjustable pattern from Quick Designs. What's great about Quick Designs pattern is that you can adjust them however you like. Lastly, you can access premium patterns, images, and graphics from the world's leading stock libraries. Remember that premium images and graphics can't be customized. For this example, I'll pick one of the Quick Designs. Once your design is ready, click Proceed. Now you'll be asked to choose from ready-to-go mockup images or create unique ones from products. For this example, I'll choose Basic Mockup. Here you can choose a main mockup that will be the first image for your product listing, the design placement to display, and the mockup format, JPEG or PNG. The difference between JPEG and PNG file formats is that PNG has a transparent background and JPEG doesn't. Remember that PNG files will use up more bytes and may cause your page to load a bit slower. I'll go with JPEG files. You can pick additional mockups by clicking here to show off your product better. If the product you're adding has product fit or production videos, you can add them here. Production videos help customers understand how the product fits and how fabric and the product details look in action. Note that the video will not contain your product design, but by adding it, you're increasing your chances of making a sale because this video lets people view the product better than a photo does. You'll notice for some products that you can also add 3D mockups that let customers rotate the product around and view it from any angle. Once you're happy with the selection of product visuals, click Continue. In this step, you can choose a description language, set up a custom product title, and either write your own description or choose from several different descriptions that you can adjust to fit your brand voice. You can add imperial or metric size guides to your product descriptions, and add product tags. Tags aren't displayed to customers, but you can use tags to categorize products on your online store and organize search results for customers. If you want to publish your product to your store immediately after you've created it, check this box. If you don't check this box, the product will be saved as a draft and you can activate it from your Shopify store once you're ready. One last thing you can do is add the product to any of the product collections you've created on your Shopify store. Click Continue to proceed to the pricing section. During this step, you can set your product price and profit and decide if you want to offer free shipping to your customers. In the first column, you'll see Printful's fulfillment price for this product. In the second column, you can set the retail price of your product. In the third column, you'll see how much you'll earn per order. You can adjust the retail price for each variant separately here. Or you can adjust all the variants at the same time by increasing the retail price in the upper right corner. If you want to offer free shipping, check this toggle. We'll hide the shipping price of your products on your storefront. Note that if you offer free shipping to your customers, you'll have to cover the shipping cost, so make sure to add it to your retail price of the products. If you want to save the settings and reuse them for other similar products, click the Save Push Settings tab. When you're done, click Submit to Store and add the product to your catalog. The t-shirt we just created is now available to customers. Before we move on, here's a quick tip. You can add your product to product templates by clicking Save Product Template. This will ensure that your product is available on your Printful account under Product Templates, so you can add it to your store or another platform or marketplace and download additional product mockups. In the Shopify admin, we can go to the Products section and select our newly created t-shirt to adjust it. For example, add a product type to make it easier for buyers to find your product in your store. To import your existing products from your Shopify store to Printful, go to your Printful dashboard, click Stores, View Store, and click Import Not Sync Products from Shopify toggle. From there, you can sync them by clicking Sync Product, then choosing the best alternative from the product catalog. For example, this skateboard. Printful doesn't print skateboards on demand. I make these myself, so I'll leave this product as is. Printful automatically creates shipping profiles for your Printful products on Shopify, so shipping rates will already be set when you create a new product. You can access these shipping profiles by going to your Shopify admin, clicking Settings, and Shipping and Delivery. Note that if you change Printful's shipping profiles, they will revert back to default. You can create new custom profiles and assign them to your products. You can find more information about Printful's rates by going to our shipping page, linked in the description below. In this table, you'll find shipping costs for each product category. Another way to deal with shipping is to enable Printful's live rates. Live rates are carrier-calculated real-time rates, meaning your customers might see different shipping prices based on what they order and where their shipment's going. You can only enable live rates if you're a Shopify Advanced Plan user. To enable live shipping rates, head to your Printful dashboard, click Settings, Shipping, check this box, and hit save. If your store has products you store at Printful's warehouse or products you fulfill elsewhere, you must add shipping costs separately on Shopify's end. Printful's live shipping rates won't conflict with your manual rates for non-Printful products. In cases where your customer has both Printful and non-Printful products in their cart, Shopify will automatically take the lowest available shipping rates from both product groups and combine them together into one, so your customer will see one shipping option available at the checkout. You've successfully added products and set up shipping. Good job. The last thing to do is ensure your billing information on Printful is all set. Printful billing works by offering two options. First option is that customers place an order on your storefront and pay you directly. Printful charges you separately for fulfillment and shipping using their internal payment system, the Printful wallet. Alternatively, you can set up a billing method where funds are automatically added to your Printful wallet from your bank card or PayPal as orders come in, ensuring seamless payment for fulfillment. We have a video to guide you through the process. Watch it to learn how payment processing works with Printful. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to go through our Shopify FAQ and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.